Want to grab your visitors' attention instantly? With Webydo's pop-up feature, you can create and display pop-ups with a click or hover, customizing their position for maximum impact. Let's dive in. Creating a pop-up in Webydo is quick and easy. Start by navigating to the Webydo studio and clicking on Pop-ups. Then select New Pop-up, give it a name and click Add Pop-up. Once your pop-up is created, you can begin customizing it. Insert your content, including text, buttons, and other elements to make it engaging. Next, head over to the Properties tab, where you have full control over the design and functionality. Choose a background color that matches your branding. Set the trigger event, whether it appears on click, hover, or after a delay, and specify how long to wait before displaying it after the page loads. You can also select the exact position where the pop-up should appear and decide which pages will display it. Once everything is set up, save your changes and publish your website. Finally, preview the result to see your pop-up in action and make any adjustments if needed. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom pop-up in Webydo. Don't forget to experiment with different designs and trigger settings to find what works best for your site. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Webydo tips. See you in the next one.